Hello guys, this is our mini project. Our topic is drowsiness detection using OpenCV. This is made by team Codyapa. I'll show you my initial code. So this is our initial code which has all the libraries which are needed to detect the face. If you want a line by line explanation or a further detailed explanation, you can mail us. Our mail ID is provided in the description below, or else you can pause and have the look at our code. I'll just open the terminal and run the code and show you the demo. Initial frame will be there. If now my eyes are closed, alert would be there. So this is the alert. Now I'll just show you. So we have used the 68 points to detect our face features. So we have used the pre-trained data for doing this. So this is how we have pointed the points. Like you can just watch the. So this is AR. So these are the 6 points. So using this 6 points, we are calculating the AR ratio. So you can watch it over here. This is the eye aspect ratio. Using this ratio, we are detecting whether the driver is drowsy or else it is not. If the value of AR goes below threshold, which is, I'll just show you in the code once. Like the threshold value is 0.3. If the value of AR goes below 0.3, it will give us the alert. Thank you.